Welcome to Huawei Tech, where we share visions and insights to go far and win big together. Hello everyone. Digital and intelligent technologies are driving transformation across all industries, and the finance industry is leading the charge of the core of the economic lifeline. Countless transactions, payments, and data transmissions take place every day, resulting in a rapid increase in data scale and diversified storage requirements. To adapt to these changes, the finance industry must seek innovation and change in both application and architecture. Today, we'll be exploring with our guests. Hello, both of
Hello.
you.
Yeah.
To find the balance in technological change and create a financial data infrastructure for the intelligent age. Welcome to Huawei Tech. Thank you so much for joining us here. So first of all, please briefly introduce yourself.
Yeah.
Thank
Sure.
you.
Yeah. Hello. I'm Süha from İşbank Turkey. So I am the IT infrastructure manager of the bank. Yeah.
Thank you.
This is Diego, and I'm the vice president of Huawei data storage product line. Now I'm very pleasure to be here to discuss with you about the data storage.
As we all know, the finance industry plays a crucial role in people's lives, processing massive transactions on a daily basis. However, the urge in transaction volume and explosive data growth has created unprecedented demand for data storage, performance, and reliability. So, if we could describe a bank's data center as a soccer team,
Mhm.
then what about data infrastructure? Do you think it's more like option A? It's more like a forward with high performance, or option B, a defender with high reliability?
I would try to answer this question from a bank's perspective. More of a defensive, but you should act like as a team, right? So in today's soccer or football, it's the same. Even the defenders can score a goal, right? So maybe in this manner, uh, more of a defender, but the bank and the business and the financial institutions started to get digitalized more and more every day. But also, since all the banking sector is going digitalized, we are also somehow striker as well. So I can say both.
Thank you. What about you?
From my point, you know that for the customer side, they will think much more about the reliability and more about the defense. But for our provider, vendor, as a product vendor, we thought much about the future. So we thought that maybe previously we are more concerned about the defender. This role may be much more suitable. But for the future, we are thinking much about the striker for the front line. So for us, we thought maybe for the future it will much more better for the striker than the defender because the IT infrastructure need to be support and
Yes.
also need to be as a production system to earn money for enterprise or for financial bank.
Yes, true. Mr. Diego said reliability. Yes, really, it's so important topic. We can talk about days on it, but both, as I said, acting as a team may only provide that reliability.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So, performance and reliability equal important.
Yes.
Equal important. In this industry, it's essential for financial data and services to be available in real time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, in real time, making reliability and performance equally important. Additionally, there's a growing need for energy efficient solutions to address the increase in energy consumption. If we need to just prioritize one aspect of building and operating a data center,
Mm-hmm.
would you focus more on improving performance and reliability or reducing energy consumption and costs? Which one do you prefer?
If I would I mean, go for only one of those, I think I need to go with the performance and reliability.
Okay.
Uh,
Why?
because the banks are 7/24, so it's not like going to branches anymore. So maybe, I mean, for example, for our environment, 97% of the transactions are non-branch transactions, and that's why the demanding requirements for the business are crucial. So that's why we need to be 24/7 available, reliable, and need to provide the required performance. So yeah, I would pick the first one.
Okay, so you prioritize the performance and reliability.
Yes, but on the other hand, the second
Yeah.
is also crucial, important.
Why?
Yeah, important. But I mean, if only I had only one chance to, choose one of those, I think the first one would be. But the other one is as important as the first one. So,
Okay, thank you so much. So, Mr. Diego,
Mm-hmm.
do you agree with that?
Totally agree, but I have some additional point to share. Actually, for the customer, we need to think about much more about why the customer want to construct a new data center. What is the role of this data center? What it will do? So if you want to build a new data center or just renew the old data center, or is a production data center, or is a disaster recovery data center, I think it's totally different.
yes,
So for all of these data center, I think most customers think about how to balance the performance, reliability, also about budget,
yes,
how to balance the TCO to match with their business. So I think this will be much more considered about.
yes, correct. Yeah, yeah,
Okay, thank you. Mm, as we all know, AI has become a really hot topic these days, right?
correct.
So AI has become increasingly prevalent, particularly in the finance industry. AI technologies are being utilized in device operating and management and data management to drive intelligent transformation across the entire industry. Do you think people will be gradually replaced by AI, or more opportunities will innovate with the assistance of AI? Thank you.
No, I think people will not be replaced
Yeah.
because there is still a huge demand on the workforce. So the people will keep being important in the future as well, and especially in the AI era. So I think the required amount of uh, employees with the huge increase in the demand in the banking business, especially. I mean, it's not only the banking, but all industries probably would require the similar workforce in the future. But like the vision with the Huawei, uh, I think the augmented workforce will be used with like an assistant, like the one that will assist you with your daily works and daily stuff. So I think definitely will not replace, but we will use AI with the help of the business. So next to us, helping us to create the additional requirement in the business and growing business.
With those advanced technologies such as AI, such as cloud, we can overcome effectively more obstacles or difficulties in our business or in industry. What about you, Mr. Diego?
From my point, I thought that when the new technique emerge, and you will find that it will have a lot of new chance, new opportunity emerging,
Yes.
and also for the old chance, old opportunity disappear.
Mm-hmm.
So, totally speaking, for the new technique, when they emerge, I think there will be a lot of change and opportunity here, and the opportunity disappear both. So for the people or for the employee in such a kind of financial vendor or some other, such as for the IT operation and the maintenance,
Yes.
I think they need to know this is a natural law.
Yes.
This is a natural law. Everything is changing.
Yeah.
So when we align with the change, then we will have the new chance.
Yeah.
If we are just stay there, just old-fashioned, I think it will your job and your opportunity will disappear.
Yes. Yes. Correct. Correct. And we are still lacking of finding the required amount of resources to work with the growing business, right? So I think it's only will be possible with the help of AI in the future as well. So we won't definitely we won't be able to find the required amount of workforce, required amount of people, friends working with us in the future. So I think this will be, let's say, available with the help of AI, augmented workforce by the help of AI. Yeah.
Okay, so I still want to ask both of you, basically, what's the core value or the key point of it in this industry?
Probably this will be valid for all the industries because uh, even in you are producing something, doesn't matter what it is, uh, the every people is in a different level of skill set, right? Even the skill set is the same, they are different in the level of skills. Probably with the help of AI, the core functionality will be to find resources that is helping you, assisting you with your daily basis works, and probably everyone will be in a similar skills, and that will be the much of a core benefit of using a augmented workforce like AI to help you with your daily jobs.
Thank you so much, Mr. Suha. Well, wonderful answer. What about you, Mr. Diago? What do you think the core value of AI in finance industry?
Actually, for the AI, I think not only for the financial industry, but also for some other industries, then AI will accelerate the innovation about the business, also will drive the technical innovation.
Correct. Yeah.
So when this trend happened, what we should do, I think not only for the customer, but also for vendors such as Huawei, we need to keep the pace with the technical innovation. We need to innovation the industry. We need to innovation ourselves. So this is the most important thing I think we should concern.
Yes, yes, that's also the other dimension. In terms of the vendor and the producer dimensions. Yes, you're right.
Provide.
Okay, thank you so much. So here is the end of our today's discussion. In the future, if all flash data center is a book, would you like to name it and why is it?
Actually, from my side, I thought if there is a name for a book, I think that is a technical innovation nonstop and all-flash storage nonstop. So the name of that is all-flash storage. Keep empowering the AI era.
Thank you. What about you? What's the name of your book?
Okay, okay. I think I would go for data at light of a speed, right? Because you are the AI at the age of AI, at the age of AI era, the demanding data is growing really fast. So also you should stick with the performance as well. So I think the data at light of a speed, I would name it like that. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Well, we really want to pay our gratitude to both of you for being here. Thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you so much. And we really hope to see you next time, next year in Huawei Tech.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for having us.
We really wish the development of AI in business industry and our finance industry a bright future. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you next time.
Yeah.